They call it the Free City of Champions, a sovereign sky realm suspended above politics, above borders, above the scars of the old world. It answers to no emperor, no parliament, no council of war. Its laws were forged in the ashes of World War III, when the nations of Earth agreed that never again would armies march across continents. Here, conflict is ritualized. Steel meets steel in the sky so that flesh need not meet flesh on the ground. The Free City is governed by the Concordat of Champions, a rotating council of former victors and neutral magistrates sworn to impartiality. No banners fly above its marble towers. No standing army occupies its avenues. Its only authority is the oath that binds the empires to the games. Each year, the floating city drifts above the lands of the reigning champion's empire. For a season, it becomes both capital and crucible, hosting emissaries, dignitaries, and rising contenders from across the world. From the disciplined ranks of the Eurasian Combine, from the proud banners of the African Sovereign Empire, from the innovation-driven American Federation, from the agile fleets of the Oceanic Dominion, and from every other continental power forged in the world's rebirth. They come not only from the Skyfolk, the established academies and noble houses, but from the landfolk as well. Those rare few who survive their own internal trials and earn the right to ascend. Farmers' sons, mechanists' daughters, chosen not by bloodline, but by resilience. The city's gardens bloom in quiet contrast to the arenas that float beyond its terraces. Marble colonnades cast long shadows over reflecting pools. Airships glide silently overhead, and at its heart, suspended above the clouds, waits the central battleground, where nations wager pride instead of armies, where champions are carved into stone, and where today two empires prepare to test their will in the sky. Observe closely, my friends, for you are about to witness a contest of legacy and will. On the western platform stands the rising star of the Southern Dominion, General Azebo Cade of the African Sovereign Empire, and opposite him, the reigning champion of the Great Games, Commander Kovrin Malenkov of the Eurasian Combine, a veteran of 3 sky campaigns and master of the Ursine Legion.
Well now, these'll do nicely. Just what I need to finish that bear's head the boy's been holding on to all these years.